Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
Edmund Elephant's birthday.
Mr. Zebra the postman is delivering a letter to Peppa's house.
You've got mail.
Someone's got a party invitation.
It must be for me.
It says, to George Pig from Edmund Elephant. Please come to my party.
Doesn't it say George and Peppa?
No, just George.
I didn't want to go to a silly baby party anyway.
Fucking ring, 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 fucking ring.
Hello? Oh, it's for you, Peppa. It's
the police.
Hello.
911, what is your emergency?
Oh, goody.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Everyone is here for Edmund Elephant's party.
Oh, the helpers are here.
Hello, Mrs. Elephant.
Let's get this party started. Who wants to play musical statues?
Yay! This is what you do. Dance when the music is playing, and when it stops, freeze like a statue. Ready, steady, go!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Just dance already.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
This one is still blinking. You're out.
Thighs and ears and butt.
You're moving, George. You're out.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So Zaza is the winner. Hooray! You've got a medal. It's made of real plastic gold.
Are you sure about that?
Mummy, musical statues is over.
Lovely. Now it's time for Pass the Parcel.
Yay! When the music plays, pass the parcel round. When the music stops,
You die.
paper off. Ready, steady, go! George, pass the parcel.
Gas pedal, gas pedal.
Edmund has got a medal.
Hurry up, Richard. Just take the paper off.
Richard has got a medal. George has got a medal.
Pass the parcel.
Oh dear, George isn't passing the parcel.
No, George. That is Zaza's medal. It's a giant teddy.
Edmund has won.
Are you sure about that?
Mummy, pass the parcel is finished.
Lovely. Now it's time for food.
Enemy spotted.
Oh, the helpers have taken all the seats.
This is Edmund's party, remember? The helpers can eat after the little ones.
Oh, yes. We're the helpers.
Happy birthday, Edmund.
Happy birthday, Edmund.
It is the end of the party.
Thank you to the helpers. You all worked really hard.
Yes, it's not easy looking after little children. I need to lie down. I need a holiday.